Yalong YL1802A Intelligent Manufacturing Production Line Training System. Mobile app operation. ERP operation. MES operation. Yalong YL1802A Smart Manufacturing Production Line Training System Operation Overview. This device simulates a complete industrial 4.0 system. There are two Mitsubishi PLC above. There is a recognition system and three-dimensional warehouse. A conveyor belt is used to simulate the logistics. We can order by a mobile phone. For example, I order a personalized chocolate order now. After the order, this information gets to my system through the ERP. Then it can start manufacturing. Manufacturing starts. First, it will take the chocolate box, put the box on the conveyor belt below. Resend the box to the place where the chocolate is made and proceed by another. Now another takes over the processing. Now this process is to simulate making chocolate. Put different shapes of chocolate into different locations and then chocolate production is completed. Now put the box on the conveyor belt for testing. For now on, the finished chocolate is transferred from the conveyor to the warehouse. Then we simulate a process of sending logistics. It is also took over by another to the conveyor belt and then sent to the customer's location. It has been sent to the customer's location. Then the next, also the last step, is to complete a confirmation of receipt process.